For today's video, I am going to discuss some of the terms of an arithmetic sequence. So if we're going to have the sequence here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 100. So 1 here will be a sub 1. Then 100 here will be a sub n. Now if we're going to add all of the numbers here, the technique that we're going to use is we're going to add 1 and 100. So that will be 101. Then 2 times 99, it is also 101. 3 plus 98, it is also 101. And all of the pairs will be equal to 101. So we're going to do this by pair. So what we're going to do is we're going to have n divided by 2. It will be the number of pair or number of pairs. Then times quantity of a sub 1 plus a sub n. So for this example, a sub 1 here is 1. So 1 plus a sub n 100 will be 101. Then there are 100 terms. So 100 divided by 2, that will be 50. So there are 50 pairs in this pairing. So we're going to have n over 2 times the quantity of a sub 1 plus a sub n. So this will be the formula that we're going to use in finding the sum of the terms of an arithmetic sequence. So let's have the sum as s sub n. This is the sum of the terms of the arithmetic sequence. And if we're going to look at here, we have a sub n. And then in our previous video, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus quantity of n minus 1 times d. So if we're going to substitute this one in here, we can have this formula as s sub n equals n over 2 times the quantity of a sub 1 plus a sub n is a sub 1 plus quantity of n minus 1 times d. Then adding the 2 here, we're going to have n over 2 times the quantity of a sub 1 plus a sub 1 is 2 a sub 1, then plus quantity of n minus 1 times d. So this is the formula that we are going to use in finding the sum of the terms of the arithmetic sequence. So example number 1 here, find the sum of the integers from 1 to 50. So we're going to have the sequence 1, 2, 3, and up to 50. So the common difference here is 2 minus 1. Common difference is 1. And a sub 1 is equal to 1. Then using the formula, s sub n equals n over 2 times the quantity of 2a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. We can have this one as the number of terms is 50. So 50, this is 50 divided by 2 times 2. Then a sub 1 is 1 times 1. Then plus, this is 50 minus 1, this is 49 times d, common difference is 1. And this is 50 divided by 2 is 25. Then times 2 times 1 is 2. 49 times 1 is 49, so plus 49. Then 2 plus 49, this is 51. So 25 times 51, this is equal to 1,275. So this is the sum of the terms of the given sequence. Number 2, find the sum of the first 30 terms of the arithmetic sequence. So negative 2, negative 5, negative 8, and negative 11. So this is a sub 1, which is negative 2. And finding the common difference, we're going to have negative 5 minus negative 2. It will be negative 5 plus 2. The answer here will be negative 3. So the common difference is 3. This is D. Then, solving for the sum, we're going to have S sub n equals n over 2 times the quantity of 2a sub 1 plus quantity of n minus 1 times d. So we're going to have here, so 30 terms, we're going to have 30 divided by 2 times quantity of 2 times negative 2, then plus n is 30, so we're going to have 30 minus 1, that is 29, times d, which is negative 3. Then 30 divided by 2, this is 15. Then times 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Then 29 times negative 3, that is negative 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2, 8. This is 87, negative 87. Then negative 4 minus 87, this is negative 91. Then 15 times negative 91, this is equal to negative 1,365. So this will be our answer here. Then number 3, the sum of the first 12 terms of an arithmetic sequence is 708. What is the first term? If the last term is 92, then what is the common difference? So we're going to use, the last term here is 92, so a sub 12 is equal to 92. So a sub n equals a sub 1 plus quantity of n minus 1 times d. So using this one, a sub 12 is 92. Then this is equal to a sub 1 is unknown. So a sub 1 plus 12 minus 1 is 11. So we're going to have here 11d. Then this one is transposing 11d to the left side. We're going to have a sub 1 equals negative 11d plus 90. So this is the value of a sub 1. Now if we're going to use the formula, S sub n equals n over 2 times the quantity of 2a sub 1 plus quantity of n minus 1 times d. What we're going to do here is we'll just substitute the value of a sub 1 in here. So we're going to have S sub n equals, there are 12 terms, we're going to have here 12 divided by 2 times 2 times a sub 1 is negative 11d plus 92, then plus, there are 12 terms, 11 minus 1 times d, that will be 11d. Then S of n here is equal to 708, so we're going to have 708 equals 12 divided by 2 is 6, then times 2 times negative 11d is negative 22d, then 2 times 92, that will be 4 plus 4, 2 times 9 is 18, so 184, then plus 11d. Then this is 708 equals 6 times negative 22d plus 11d is negative 11d, then plus 184. Then this is 708, 6 times negative 11d is negative 66d. 184 times 6 is equal to 1104, so plus 1104. So this will be equal to negative 66d, then 1104 minus 708 minus 708, this is equal to negative 396. And dividing both sides by negative 66, so divided by negative 66, the answer here is D equals 6. So the common difference here is 6. Now to find the first term, we're going to use this one. A sub 1 equals negative 11d plus 92. So we're going to have a sub 1 equals 92 and plus negative 11 times the value of d, which is 6. Then negative 11 times 6 is negative 66 plus 92 equals a sub 1. Then 92 minus 66, the answer here will be 26. So a sub 1 is equal to 26, or the first term is equal to 26, and the common difference here is 6. I hope this video helped you. If you have questions about this topic, please comment down below, and see you next time.